find the Thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. To round up the Scrooge before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
Oh, no! There's no need for that. Well, I think that's enough for today. We should probably head back. Pick this up later. I'm going to take
Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. There's a unicorn, and look, she's a really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.